How to use pirate ship with eBay. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use pirate ship with eBay. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on eBay and pirate ship, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is pirate ship, it is a shipping software platform that provides users with access to deeply discounted USPS and UPS postage rates, allowing individuals and businesses to purchase and print shipping labels without any markups, hidden fees, or minimum purchase requirements, in which the service is entirely free, with revenue generated through partnerships with the carriers, and users can create shipping labels by entering recipients' information manually, uploading spreadsheets, or integrating with e-commerce platforms. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also create a free account by clicking this button on the top right corner right here. And you will be able to be directed on this page, in which to sign in, all you need to do is simply enter here your email address and also create your own password. And after that, just click this button below here, create your free account. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page right here. And from here, it will show you that you need to check your email in order to verify your email address. So from here, just click this verify my email address button. Upon clicking this one, we'll automatically be directed on this dashboard of pirateship.com, in which on the left side panel, it will show us some of the options that we can start navigating, which is ship, rates, reports, settings, and support. Now under the ship option, from here, it will show you that you can start creating your first label. However, from here, to start integrating your eBay account on this platform, just click this import from integrations button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page right here. Now under the settings, just proceed by clicking import from eBay. Upon clicking this one, all we need to do is to simply sign in our account on eBay. And after that, from here, just proceed by clicking agree and continue button. And upon doing so, we'll now be able to see here that we have now successfully integrated our eBay account on this platform. And if you have the list of order, it will show in here all of the list of your orders, including the order date, order items, address, and also the username of the customer who ordered all of those items. But as you can see, I have no any kind of records of orders on my eBay account. But if you have one, you can simply customize the label of it and also choose the right shipping options that you prefer. However, from here, you could also start creating your first label by clicking the ship and click this create your first label button right here. Upon clicking this one, we'll automatically be directed on this page, in which all we need to do from here is to simply fill out all of the required information, including the partial or full addresses of the customer that ordered the items. For example, I'm going to enter here the address from my eBay account and also the phone number in here. But make sure that the phone number that you will enter here is valid. And aside from that, from here, you're also required to enter here the name of the customer that this will be shipped to. Or you could also enter here the company, but that is just only an optional. And now after entering here all of the details required, you could also check these rubber stamps if you want to print extra information on the label. And now below, you could also select the ship from and also the type of packaging in here. We have here box or rigid packaging that you can choose from. And by clicking this tab down, it will show you here that you can choose either envelope, padded envelope, polybag, USPC priority mail, medium flat rate, USPC priority mail, small flat rate box, and many more. So basically, all of these options are depending on what kind of package or items you want to ship to your customer. So you can choose what kind of packages in here that you want to serve as your box or cover for your packages. I'm going to choose this box of rigid packaging. And now below under package dimension, all you need to do is simply enter here the length, the width, and also the height of your package. As you can see, I just entered 10 by 10 and by 10. Then below, you're also required to enter here the weights of your package. I'm going to enter here 20 ounces. And below under extra services, you could also select by clicking this plus button. To add additional extra services, we have here signature confirmation, in which by checking this, you'll be able to show you or to have a confirmation signature for the delivery or for the recipient. And you could also check this insurance and also qualifies for media mail if the package contain educational material like books, music, or films Well, by selecting irregular package, it will show you in here some of the unusual packages types like tubes, wooden, crates, and many more. But if you carry hazardous materials, by checking these boxes, it will show you that you certify that the shipment does not contain any undeclared hazardous materials or any matter. I'm choosing custom forms in here, which is required for internationals, military, APO, and many more. And from here, it will show you that you can simply fill out all of this required information such as the package, content type. But in those option, I'm going to choose this merchandise option. But you could also choose documents or gift depending on your preferences or what kind of package. And now for the custom line item, it will show in here that you need to describe what you're shipping. So for instance, I'm going to enter here the package, which is jeans and hat with a quantity of 5, and the total value of it is $100, and the total in pounds is 0, while the total ounces amounting to 20 ounces. But for instance, I'm going to change the pounds weight, which is 2 pounds and 20 ounces. You could also change this at this point. And now after that, we can now proceed by going below here by entering the harmonization number and tax ID. But that is only optional. And by clicking this Get Rates button, will automatically show us in here that we firstly need to enter a valid phone number in here in order to proceed choosing the right shipping options in here. But to see the rates and other methods, by clicking this rates option on the left side panel, we will be directed in here, in which all we need to do from here is simply fill out all of the required information such as the address, zip code, and even some of the details in here including the package dimensions, type of packaging, which is box of rigid packaging I choose, and we're going to apply all of the details that we just add earlier, such as the package dimensions 10 by 10 by 10, and also the weight of it is 2 pounds and 20 ounces. And by clicking the sketch weight code, we'll automatically be directed in here, in which you will be able to see here some of the options. We have here ground advantage, UPS ground silver, and many more. But you can choose here the cheaper one if you want to save money, in which from here you can be discounted. So if you're a seller on eBay, you'll not be able to choose a specific kind of USPS or UPS postage rates with this kind of amount, which is way more cheaper than what kind of postage rates offer by eBay. So basically, pirate ships serve as valuable shipping solution for eBay sellers by providing access to discounted USPS and UPS postage rates, enabling users to save on shipping costs while streamlining their shipping process. So you could also compare the rates of eBay shipping options and also to this pirateship.com, and you will see that Pirate Ship offers better rates than eBay's shipping options. Now moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel this reports option by clicking this one. You will be able to see here all of the report, including the number of pirate ship sea view, your account balances, total shipping costs, carrier adjustments, average costs, and many more. So basically, Pirate Ship acts as a centralized shipping hub for eBay users, facilitating easier management of shipping logistics across multiple platforms. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Pirate Ship with eBay. Thank you.